This is gonna be my first video. I already got out of the shower and I will show you how I get my nice curly hair nice and healthy. Okay, so I'm gonna unwrap my hair. Should be like wet. And these are how my curls are right now. So this is how I style my curls. Now my styling products. I will be using this one first. I'll spray this in my hand. And then I will just comb the product through my hair, not putting too much on the roots because I don't want my hair to be way down. I try not to use too much because I do have thin hair and it will weigh down my curls. Then I would like try to squish these curls up like this. There's gotta be enough water that you hear the squishing. My hairspray to just water my hair. Water my hair. Okay. So you can see my curls are starting to form. They look retarded right now, so that MAUI.
And the same thing. Get out these things, these curls, squish, 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 squish. I'm just gonna spray it up. Your hair is gonna love water because moisture. You need to quench the curls. Yeah, I can keep them. Squish.
Then I will separate my hair in sections.
So that you won't be able to see much, but here we go. Again, going away from the curl. Here we go. So, curls are starting to curl. So this is what I do. I go out my hair, comb it through, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing but going upwards. And then let it drop. That's kind of hard to do, so take your time. Grab it, and then twirl it, and then let it drop. Comb it. Let it drop. That's so that the hair doesn't just fall and adds that volume. Okay. So as you can see, my curls, they look straight and then they start curling up. Look at those ringlets. Yes. There we go. So I will be pushing this to the side. Now I will be applying gel. I will be using not your mother's curl talk in my hand. And you don't want to like go all the way, so just like move it down the hair like this, hugging your curls. Hugging. And then you want to grab some more. That's why I'm finished. And then I just squish it. Squish. I always put a lot of this to your whole head. The back. And then squish. I'll find my towel. And I'll grab it like this. And I'm just going to squish the water out of my hair. So I just cup my curls. Cup it and squish. You want to get all that excess water out of your hair. Let it air dry. So once I get all that water, excess water out of my hair, so I just grab it, twirl it to the side, and then I just let it go. So that the hair stands up on the top, and it has a lot of volume. You want to be careful with these so that they don't rip out your hair. There we go.
So I will be coming back when my hair is dry, which is gonna be a while, so I will be doing homework. But as you can see already, you can see my curls. Let me pull one out. Look at that cute curl. Gorgeous. Okay, I'll be coming back when my hair is dry. Okay, so also one more thing, don't touch your hair, just like move your head like this so that the hair can breathe, but don't touch it because you will mess up the curls and the casting of the gel. So just remember to not touch your hair for like hours. It should be easy.
3 hours later.
Okay, so this is how my hair looks.
Is get all the hair that's went everywhere, put it back where it goes, because that's how I want my hair to go. So I just like take these little things out, these little clips, slowly so it doesn't break my hair. I have very thin hair, and then I take them all out. So flip the head over, and you can see me. Flip it over, and just flop it out. And then I keep going. I switch, 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 switch. That breaks the cast of the gel, so it looks nice and fluffy. Switch, switch, switch. Look at that.
So that should be it. You can have oil, but I don't. This is how my hair looks. After that, look at all those nice curls. You can separate some of them if you want. I don't want to. It's soft. Look at those curls. And that is how I do my curly hair routine.